Recently, we bought a used car in Korea through a car dealer. To our surprise, the process was very simple and quick. Within 3 hours, we could drive home the car. So we thought that if we can share this experience to some of you as a foreigners here in Korea that considering to buy a used car or new car, it might be helpful. So we intentionally to record the process and then share with you our experience with an agency to buy a used car in Korea. So let's watch this video, and then we will tell you what you need to consider and then some information on buying a used car in Korea. To simplify the procedures, here are the steps that we went through. First of all, buying a new car or used car will cost a couple of $1,000. It's not a small money. For that much, we first search information on buying used car in Korea as much as possible on the internet. There are a couple of sources of information we can find on YouTube, websites, and some blogs written by foreigners living in Korea. Since we are living in Suwon, we visited dotool.com website. It has a nice features which we will show in a moment and how we did it. Although the website is presented in Korean, we could use an auto translation which worked well on our mobile. First, we selected a domestic car feature, and it will show you a list of car brands and mobile models. Luckily, we already had a specific targeted car in our mind, so we just focus on seeking information on the type of cars we wanted. We selected Hyundai and type of car. And we also will set the limit of our budget, years of the cars. And you can see there are some features that we can select. The limit of the year, for example, you can select from 2010, or the price, the mileage, and other functions. So it helps you to narrow down the choice of cars that you are looking for. So you can also see, you can select the colors you wanted. Well, after setting all those criteria, the website will show you how many cars available in your area. So you can just click the cars that are available, and you can find out more information on each of the car. Now you can see the pictures of the car, and you can click the one that you wanted. Now you can see the more detail of the car information. And you can see the pictures inside and outside of the car. This information is official and it should be reliable. And it's important, you need to check details of cars, including pictures of the car, exterior or interior, and its performance check. Also, there's available information on the history of the car there might be some accident or not, and were there any replacement, or there were a major accident, then all those recorded and shown on that detailed information. So make sure, ask your agents what does it mean, if there's any X symbol or any other things that you would like to ask. After reviewing those information, we finally made 2 or 3 cars on our list, and I think it's very important for you to have 2 or 3 in your mind before contacting any agency. Once we arrive at the car dealer, we ask many questions and reconfirm about the information we found on the internet. So the agents will explain and give you more detailed information about the cars, and particularly about the cars that we already had in mind.
Accident history.
Okay, it's the history.
For accident.
Oh,
You supply the warranty,
okay.
2,000 kilometers or something.
Warranty for
Yes, sir.
20,
Yes,
for
sir.
2,000 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
Warranty.
These are warranty items.
Mhm.
This reference is engine, transmission, and oil leak,
Mhm.
and CV,
Mhm.
CV, and a start, steering, and start motor, and wipe motor,
Right.
and AC.
Okay.
This is a contract. Contract.
Sales contract.
Yes, it's sales contract. And it's our document. It's old registration. And
Car registration.
and it's our inspection sheet.
Inspection. Yes, yeah.
We'll supply yes
Okay.
You
So
can-
customer will receive all these documents.
Yes, sir. And after you buy a car, we transport your name.
Okay.
You
Because
don't
there was the 14 days after the transfer, the new owner should register. My answer, no.
you don't need to go to churn or any government tour.
Okay.
It's tour.
Okay, so it's all solved and then registered by you and the company. Okay. Okay, and then I think if you can explain about how about insurance? Insurance.
If you want, we are searching some insurance company compare everything, price and conditions. So we suggest lower price.
Lower price. Okay. Okay. What is the average price for insurance? A couple of insurance companies.
There are some companies we prepare their price and we recommend the best price.
Okay. Well, this is all the story. Thank you for watching our video. As we said at the beginning of this video that this is just a story or sharing from us when we bought a used car in Korea. And we realize this is a very limited information. We suggest you to seek more information by yourself, either on website or YouTube. Then it will help you to have more confidence before buying a used car in Korea. And also you can negotiate with the agency for some parts if you need a replacement of the part that you may think is not appropriate. And the most important also, you have to have your driving license before you buying a car. And the second one, you also to make sure having insurance while you're driving, because if you have some problem or accident with cars in Korea, it's very costly. So if you have more information you want to know, you can consult with the agency, and anything you can ask. Thank you very much.